Hi everybody, welcome back to Wippy Chicks Picks. Today's picks are so fun. I have a friend who loves gnomes, so it being spring and the yard gnomes are starting to come out, I thought we would look at some crochet gnomes. There are so many different patterns, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in. Let's get started. The first one I have found is the Crochet Pisces astrological sign, Pisces, um, and it's a gnome. And so I'm going to open this up because this particular designer has made a gnome for every zodiac sign there is. Now, I chose Pisces to look at because I am a Pisces, but like I said, they have all of them. So this designer, I believe, is called Huggles or Hugles, Hugles, and I found this on Etsy. All of these patterns today, actually, I found on Etsy. This one is $2.70 for the pattern, and it's just so cute. You can see this skirt. I assume this is a female. It looks like a little skirt down here, looks like water, and of course it's holding a fish because Pisces are the fish. So it's just really cute. I'm going to scroll down here to look at a picture of the back of it. Yeah, there you go. That's what it looks like from the back. And let's look at another picture here. This is what the pattern looks like when you get the pattern. So it's got 4,188 five-star reviews. So that's pretty darn good. And I just want to see what this level for difficulty listing is. So I'm going to open this up a little bit. Here is the description. I'm pretty sure that I saw, oh, here it is. I'm sorry. This pattern is for beginner level, and it's approximately 15 centimeters tall, and it's written in American terminology. So, yeah. And looking at these different reviews, it looks like it's got great reviews from this designer. So, really cute. The Pisces Gnome. So my second gnome is the Viking Gnome. I just thought he was so cute. This is available on Etsy for $1.95. And I believe that the designer is Gnome Planet. Yes, Gnome Planet. So I guess they kind of specialize in gnomes. But I thought that the little Viking was really cute. It looks like there are lots of pieces to this particular amigurumi. Super cute. I am guessing that this is going to be intermediate level, but I'm not sure. Maybe we should take a look at the description and find out. Okay, let's see here. Let's learn more about this item. With the help of this gnome pattern, you can make an amigurumi gnome. The Viking gnome can be a wonderful decoration for your home as well as an original gift. So it's 11 pages of step-by-step descriptions, and lots of helpful pictures. It's 17 centimeters tall, which is 6.5 inches or so, and it's listed as the level of easy. So looks like the reviews here are pretty good. This says such a cute pattern. It was easy to follow, and I love how the little guy turned out. And you can see pictures of other people's little gnomes that they made. So very good. 2,094 reviews that are all 5 stars. So that's wonderful. All right, very good. Let's take a look at our next pattern. Our next pattern is kind of similar to our last one. This one is the Crochet Wizard Gnome. I think he's really cute. This really makes me think of Lord of the Rings. I don't know about you Lord of the Rings fans out there, but this definitely is like a Gandalf the Grey kind of gnome. Let's take a look at another picture of him. He's got his staff there. I just love his floppy hat. Really cute. And these nice tight stitches are going to make that hat nice and stiff so that you can kind of fold it like that. This is a crochet pattern by Winding Road Crochet. It is $3.49. And let's learn a little bit more about this one. This little gnome has a lot of character, but is still pretty easy to crochet. I have even created a How to Crochet a Gnome video series that goes over all the skills needed to crochet this gnome, so that's good to know. Looks like they use a size 4 yarn. Oh, here's this. Oh, that's the size of the font. I was looking for the size of the finished project. Oh, here it is. Roughly 7 inches tall, 3 inches wide. And here are some different photos from people who have made this little gnome, this little wizard. Very good. All right, let's move on to our next pattern. Our next gnome is super cute. It is the birthday gnome. It also has some cupcakes that you can make too. So let's open this one up. This is by Muffacorn Amigurumi Designer. I just think that's the funniest name, Muffacorn. Muffacorn? Muffacorn? Not quite sure. Really, really cute. Let's see what we see here. It's got the cute little candle for its head, or its hat rather. It looks like a big cupcake on its head. It's super cute. And there's the little cupcakes. So this is really cute. Let's take a look and see what the pattern looks like when you get it. Okay, so it's a 16-page pattern, very detailed images. Tells you about the materials to use and the useful tips. I just want to see what they list it for difficulty level. Skill level intermediate. Okay, this one is also about 7 inches high for the gnome itself. And it looks like it's got a lot of nice reviews too. Wow, look at that, 12,000 positive 5-star reviews. That's great. Very nice, very cute little pattern. All right, let's check out our next gnome. Ain't nothing like a gnome. Oh, I love this one. This one brings out the plant lover in me. So this is the Crochet Watering Can Gnome. So let's see if we can take a quick peek at this little guy. Super cute with his little watering can on top of his head. This is by Lucy Magic Pattern. This pattern's available for $1.98 on Etsy. I really like it when they have the little videos so you can kind of see it all at different angles, you know. Isn't that cute? It looks like they use a heavier weight yarn. Maybe it's a 4-weight, but really cute. I like that a lot. So let's take a peek here and learn a little bit more about this one. Crochet pattern. It's easy to follow. It's about 8 inches high. I don't see anything about difficulty rating. But this review says easy to understand, lovely pattern, fun to create it, loved making this gnome, explanations are clear. Thank you also for the photos, great pattern, easy to follow. So 3,629 very positive reviews for this cute little flower watering can gnome. Super duper cute. All right, let's check out our next pattern. Okay, next we have the set of 3 keychains. I thought these were really cute. So I'm just going to open those up. It looks like they have different holidays here. And these 3 holidays are Valentine's Day, Easter, and St. Patrick's Day. So these ones are very springy. Very, very spring-like patterns. This designer is Funny Rabbit Toys. And I think these are super cute. I love fun keychains like this. And I don't know, I kind of want to say that it's maybe two flat pieces sewed together with then just the embellishments on top, but I'm not positive. I've never made this, so can't really say for sure. Let me see if we can take a look at one close up. See how it's kind of stitched around the outside of it? That's what makes me think it was maybe two flat pieces. So this is cute. Let's take a look at the difficulty rating if it has one. Here we go, level of difficulty medium. So maybe an experienced crocheter. When using the recommended materials and tools, this toy is 3.5 to 4 inches high. And it looks like it's, oops, sorry about that. Looks like it's got some good reviews. And it says super easy to work up, super cute, good directions, lots of pictures, really easy pattern with lots of photos, worked up quickly even though I crochet slow. So those all sound really good. Sounds like some good reviews there. Very cute for all the spring holidays. These would be really cute on a kiddo's backpack, wouldn't they? I think they'd be cute. All right, let's take a look at our next crochet gnome pattern. These little guys, how cute are these? Little flower gnomes. No matter what kind of flowers you like, whether it's daisies or sunflowers or pansies, we've got all kinds, all kinds. So this is another one by Funny Rabbit Toys, and I think they're super cute. We've got the sunflower crochet gnome, the spring gnome, and the daisy gnome. Aren't they cute? These ones look pretty simple. If you're just new to amigurumi, these might be a really good one to start with. I'm guessing that the difficulty level is going to be easy to medium. Let's see what they say. Difficulty level medium. These are 5.5 inches high, and it looks like good reviews here. This lady in Port Elizabeth, South Africa made this one. That's really cute. So yeah, lots of good reviews for this shop. And just super duper cute. If you have a friend who loves gnomes, this might be a really fun little gift for them. And I actually do have a friend who loves gnomes. I'm gonna have to start making some of these, I think. Okay, look at this one, guys. This Bluebell, how cute is she? Or he? The Bluebell gnome crochet pattern by let's see, Lucy Magic pattern. This is another Lucy Magic pattern. And it's $1.98, so you know, a couple dollars for this little pattern that you could of course use over and over and over again. But I love this. I love the little Bluebell cap that it's wearing. So sweet. Let's see what else we can, whoops, sorry about that. See what else we can find out about this. Let's learn more about this. Looks like the size of it is 6.5 inches high. And I don't really see anything about a difficulty level, but it doesn't look any harder than the last ones we looked at. I do kind of like the look of this line here, but I'm going to zoom in. Yeah, it doesn't really look like anything other than just a single strand of yarn, right? Are my eyes deceiving me? Yeah, I like that a lot. That's really cute. I like that little Bluebell. All right, we've got a few left. Let's keep going. Let's keep looking. Okay, these two patterns here, one is the Bumblebee and one is the Ladybug. They're so similar that I'm kind of counting them as one, and it's by the same designer. Whoops, that was a mistake. There we go. It's by the same designer, and the one, you know, just has a bumblebee with stripes on its hat and a bumblebee on the end. And the other one has dots on its hat and a ladybug at the end. They're both really cute. So I'm just going to take a look at both of them. So this is by Mufficorn, another one by Mufficorn. Etsy's a great place to find really fun, talented designers. Look at how cute that is, the little bumblebees, and you can make separate bumblebees with it, which is really cute. Looks like she attached it to it somehow. Wouldn't it be neat if it had like little magnets that you could just attach it? Let's take a look at what the pattern looks like. Okay, so this is what the pattern looks like. It's very similar to the other pattern that we saw from Mufficorn. And let's see how they list this for difficulty level. Oh, they list it as intermediate. Very good. Looks like these are pictures from other people that have made it, so they were successful. There's no reason to think that you couldn't be successful too. I'm just going to open up the ladybug one, take a quick peek at that. Yeah, you see it's very similar. It's got the little flowers, but this one's got a ladybug and polka dots rather than the stripes. So that's really, really cute. Really cute. Okay, we're going to move on to my favorite pattern of the gnomes because I think that you guys as crocheters and crafty people will really, really appreciate this one because not only is it a gnome, but it is an organized gnome. This is the Crochet Organizer gnome pattern. And check this out. It's got a spot to hang your scissors. It's got a spot to put your pins and needles and your hooks and your stitch markers and your tape measure. Even your little highlighter for your patterns. Like how cool is that? This is for the person who, maybe does drawing. Got all of their pencils and pencil sharpeners and pens. Here's the crochet stuff. This is what it looks like without any tools in it. This pattern is by Gnome Planet. I know we looked at another pattern by Gnome Planet, but absolutely adorable and so cool for the crocheter, right? So let's see. This person said it wasn't hard as only single crochet, so when I got bored I took a break and finally completed it. Thanks for getting a cute bag. Pattern is as shown. I used leftover yarn to make this and love the way it looks. Oh, this one says she used PVC piping inside of the holders to give them a little more support. That's really creative. Here's another one. She says she used cotton, so it came out a little bit bigger. But these are really, really cute. So this designer, like I said before, is Gnome Planet. And I'm going to take a real quick look just to see what she says about difficulty level. She says it's easy. Okay, and it is 14 inches high, so this is a good size gnome. Really, really cute. All right, everybody, so that is going to do it for my crochet gnome ideas. I think they were all super cute, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Wippy Chicks Picks. And until next time, I hope you're doing well and you keep on hooking. See you next time. Bye-bye.